Welcome to your quick fire 6-minute cardio abs blast. Hi, I'm Gabby. Welcome back to TaylorToned. If you've not hit subscribe, do that right now. Today I have for you 6 exercises. Each exercise is 45 seconds on, full power, and then a 15-second rest. During the 15-second rest, I will show you the next exercise. Okay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you're going to come into that plank jack. It's on the screen right now. Hands at the shoulders, legs are jumping out, in, out, in. We're going in 2, in 1. Let's go. Out, in, out, in, out, in. Hands are underneath the shoulders, legs are extended backwards. Let's get that heart rate up. Nice straight arms here. Keep those hips on the same level. Just jump the feet out and in. Inhale, exhale, keep going. I wish I didn't wear my hair down today. Pushing through, nice deep breaths, the whole way through this. You have another 15 more seconds left to go. Draw the abs in, nice and tight, power through those legs. Jumping jacks on the floor, let's go. Go 8, go 7, 6, you've got to go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Next exercise, the feet are in a tabletop position. The legs open and close. It's going to be on the screen for you now. Hands start behind the head, legs in a tabletop position in 3, in 2, in 1. So you're going to lift all the way up, lower back down, then lift again, open the knees and lower. So we're going to lift, lower down, lift up, open the knees and lower. Option. If you're feeling advanced, bring the hands round, bring the hands through, lower, bring the hands round, bring those hands through, lower down, you've got it. Around the outside, let's get into those upper abdominals. Let's work those rectus abdominals, that's your 6-pack area. Let's get that dream stomach. Push through. How many calories can you burn? 10 more seconds now to go. Reach around. Whew. We've got this. Through the legs, get the head, neck, shoulders off the floor and break there. 15-second breather. Next up, we're going to go into a mountain climber. Hands again are underneath the shoulders. The knees draw in as fast as possible. In 3, in 2, in 1. Let's go. Draw the knees into the chest. And if you want the modified version of this, you're going to take this. Just slow pull the knees in. If you're up there with me in the advancement, keep drawing these into the chest. Hands are underneath the shoulders. Nice deep breaths in and exhale away. I want you to get into your calorie burning zone. So many people hear that and they're like, what is your calorie burning zone? It's 210/20 minus your age, and you want to be given 70% of that number to get into that calorie burning zone where you are shredding calories, you're burning fat. Just give me 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whew. Okay, next exercise, we're going into some scissor legs. You want to try to extend through the legs, but don't worry if you can't. Take a little minute to bend through the knee. 2, 1, go. Change, switch. So your option, if you want the modification, you're here with me. If you want to work a little bit harder today, you're here with me here, hands away. Change. I want your head, neck, shoulders completely off the floor. Let's get those upper abs burning, shaking, trembling. That burning and shaking is your body melting fat. You're breaking down muscle and you're building it up again. So much stronger and leaner. 15 more seconds, head, neck, shoulders off the floor. Woo! Let's go. 10, 9, 8, you've got it. 7, switch those legs. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, heel taps. You want those head, neck, shoulders again off the floor. Reaching round towards your heels. We're taking this in 4, 3, 2, 1. Tap the heel, tap the heel, tap the heel. If you feel this in your neck, any spinal injuries, you can always bring one hand behind the head. Maybe do 5 taps one side, switch it up, 5 taps the other side. Wherever you are, keep going, keep breathing. Inhale, whoo. Exhale. We have this. How much those abs burning? Comment down below after this video and tell me how much your abs burned, how much they shaked, how much you hated me during this workout. We've got this. I hate these. They burn so much. Give me just 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, one more thing. We can get through this together. We're gonna go into a bicycle. So you've got a couple of options here. You can always grab underneath the legs and change, or full advancement, hands behind the head, wherever you are. Let's go. Change, switch. So this is your modified option. If you want the advancement, you're in it with me, and a twist, 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 twist. Now can you go as fast as possible and keep those head, neck, shoulders off the floor? Modification, hands come underneath the thighs. Let's go, wherever you are, push it through. Let's go, final 15 seconds, as hard as you can, as fast as you can. Bring out the waistline, make the change you want today. Give me 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Give those knees a quick rock, side to side. I want you to draw your knees into the chest. Send the knees to the left. Right arm goes on. Draw the legs back to your center. Legs go to the right, arm goes to the left, head rocks over. Draw the knees in, rock yourself back, rock yourself up forwards. And you made it. Well done in your 6-minute ab blast. Make sure you smash that like button if you felt the burn today. Drop a comment down below. Go and check more of my videos out. Hit subscribe. See you again next time. Bye.